I'm Peter DeToy with Nederburg Wines. Today we have the Nederburg Winemasters 2012 Noble Late Harvest, which won a trophy at IWC. This wine from a winery that goes back to 1791, but really is leading the Noble Late and the dessert style wines in South Africa since the 1950s. Wine comes from two pockets, Durbanville Hills and Paarl in the region. Micro cuvee style wine, so it's really small, keen attention, detail really with this wine. Great balance between fruit and acid and spice on the palate, but the nose is what catches you first. It's great honey tones, dried apricot, dried peach, follows through onto the palate. Great balance between 200 grams of sugar and 10 grams of acid, and the alcohol is low at about 10.9%. So yes, the Noble Late Harvest 2012.